So we've got an incredible week of earnings coming up here, and I don't want you to miss out. That's why I put together this very nice organized table for you so you can keep track of the best earnings coming out this week. That being said, in this video, I'm giving you this earnings table for you to take a screenshot of to help you in your trading. I'm also going to walk you through a little bit of thoughts going into this week about some of these earnings. And that being said, I'm actually going to give you a solution to help you make thousands on these earnings reports this week. So boom, let's get straight into it, guys. Don't waste your time. And if you do enjoy this earnings table, make sure you drop a like on the video. Also, actually, if you want this sent to your inbox every Friday, make sure you go in the description, click this link, and we'll send that to you every single Friday. That way you have the entire weekend to plan for the best trades. So I know we've got a lot of options traders here that probably are new and don't even know some of the basics here. So I actually want to show you a very basic tactic here to find out if you want to front run the earnings or not. Now, what is front running? Front running is buying the options ahead of the earnings report, and there's a very easy way to find out if you want to do that. Here, through this little trick, I wouldn't even call it a trick, it's basic knowledge, but just a lot of people don't know it, is you can see the expected move for the earnings report right here in this yellow numbers to the right of the stock price. Okay, so options pricers, options makers are pricing in a 36-point move to the up or downside in Tesla post earnings here. That means if you want to make money on Tesla calls, you need Tesla to move more than 36 points after its earnings announcement. And this is where you see a lot of new guys. They think, oh my God, Tesla is the best company. I'm going to go ahead and buy calls for the earnings report. Tesla goes higher and they still lose money. Why is that? Because the options were already pricing in that move. And so therefore your contracts are not as valuable as you thought and you actually end up losing money. So don't fall for that trick. I want to put this into perspective one more time here. You can see Microsoft is pricing in an 8.5 point move. Now, if you take a look at the chart here and we take a look at this, well, let's say you want to buy Microsoft calls. And well, first off, you need to exceed the 8.5 move to the upside, which means you are saying and you are betting that Microsoft is going to go higher than $233, which would be an all-time high here on this chart, right? So that is what you're betting on. So please be careful if you're front running or buying these options ahead of earnings. You need to put this in perspective with the expected move. You need to flip that over to the chart and see, is that still logical? Is that still a possibility? And I'm not saying that's not a possibility, but I am just trying to help you open up your eyes to how you see this thing. So hopefully that helps you, especially if you're a new beginner options trader who didn't know that you can actually check the expected move right there. But now, to go back and answer the question at the beginning of the video, which was how do you make thousands this week? And I mean now, not wait 8 months or 8 years for results. I mean, you can actually make $1,000 to probably $10,000 with even a small account here this week. How do you do that? Well, guys, you got to be able to nail the trade in the first place. And you only nail the trades by getting them right. And are you getting trades right, left and right, back to back? Probably not, but we are, and we're nailing these things every single week, and I want you to be a part of the success here. Look, guys, to the people who trusted us and put just a tiny bit of faith in us, they reaped the rewards last week. I told them, guys, we're going to set you up, we're going to hook you up, and make sure you make a lot of money this week. And that's exactly what they got. $1,400 profit here, $900 profit here, $3,700 profit here, and $6,000 profit there, right? The point I'm trying to make here is the people who put just a tiny bit of faith and took the first step have now made the second step of making $6,000. And now this week will be the third step of making possibly $10,000, right? But the point is here is you can't make the second step without making the first step by getting the form and the technique down first, right? You can't make the third step if you don't make the second step. It's all about taking steps in the right direction. And I'm helping you make that first step. I'm helping you make thousands this week, but you've got to take that step. You've got to actually trust in the process and see, we're making shit happen. But are you going to make shit happen? Are you going to join us and make the money this week? Guys, if you are, you know what to do. Show you're serious and get started through the link in the description. Guys, we're going to hook you up. We're going to set you up with the best trades only. Guys, I can only think of one person who got by with bad form. That was Happy Gilmore. And let's just say for my sake and yours, I really hope you're not Happy Gilmore because...
Bitch ball, why didn't you just go home? That's your home! Are you too good for your home? Answer me! Suck my white ass ball!
Virginia put out a press release concerning Happy Gilmore being thrown. Any more of this?
Suck it, oh! Yeah, you fucking lie, mother.
And he's gone.
You pussy bitch! You fucking play away
Alright, so guys, you get the point. You can't succeed, you can't show up to the market with bad form and think you're going to hit the birdies, the home runs, or even the scalps. Guys, the point is, okay, it's going to be an incredible week, and I'm just extending an invitation for you to make 1,000 to probably 10,000 for the average trader. Now, if you have an above average size account, you might make 20,000 this week, right? It really just depends on how much capital we're putting into each trade, but I guarantee any average regular account size can make from 1,000 to 10,000 this week, and I just want to take you on this little journey we have this week through week 2 of earnings season. Guys, it's going to be incredible, and as long as you're ready and you're willing, we will make it happen, guys. That's my promise this week. So if you're serious, let's fucking do this, guys. It's going to be an awesome week, and I hope you're ready. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like. My name is Alex, and I will see you on the next video. Let's do this.